The challenge we faced on a butyl tape production line was the process itself was very manual. Butyl boxes weighed close to 42 pounds and were manually loaded by our team. We looked to have that automated, which is where QSI stepped in to be able to help out. I knew personally the history of some of the other projects that they've done, so the trust was there already for us, so we understood what they could do as well as the execution side. QSI was able to find other resources to be able to package together for this fully automated line. From start to finish, it is a fully functioning taping to a conveyor belt, which then goes down to a robot that labels the actual boxes itself, the finished boxes with the product in it. From there, the robots then will pick up the boxes from that conveyor, a finished labeled product, to then palletize it at that point. So the improvements through this automation line kind of hit on a couple facets for us. One, the safety aspect of our employees was key in this, being able to eliminate potentially safety hazards from lifting these heavy boxes. The second part of this was, from a production standpoint, we saw throughput improve as a result of adding these. The last part of this was a morale thing. The team saw the investments that we were making into this particular line, and they saw the care that we were putting into the work that they do day in and day out. And so all three of those parts together then created a seamless project that seems to be yielding a ton of benefits, some that are qualitative and others that are quantitative. To work with QSI is honestly a pleasure. From start to finish, they take care of us. They always check in to make sure the projects are on schedule. It is very much a seamless effort for them to be able to take the design that we've kind of mapped out and put it into engineering and bring it to life. And then once it is built and ready to go, the team is incredible at helping us with dry runs, helping with training. Once it's been implemented, the support aspect has been huge for us. Any issues that we may run into or any hiccups that we may run into, they've been instrumental on making sure that they're available and the team's there to be able to fix any glitches that we might run into, whether it be mechanical or software-wise. So all in all, this team has just been incredible to work with for us. Whenever we're looking to do the next project, QSI is always at the top of our list just because of how much of a joy it was to work with them, and seeing the end result really made it worth all the effort. And for them to be able to bring this to life, I know for us, anytime we think up a new project that requires automation or may not, they are at the top of our list.